Hello, I am Devashish Chakravarti. Let us talk about media plan. The media plan refers to what media products can the manager utilize and in what fashion to give maximum value to the client. So it is to do with the domain of marketing management, where of the 4 P's, promotion is the P that is being targeted. So a media budget is allocated, and the aim of the media budget is to maximize the business objectives of the client. As a media manager, the idea is to take decisions on a few key attributes. What will be the distribution of your advertising over the various media? What are the 4 questions that you would need to ask? Firstly, what is the reach that I hope to achieve with my media plan? By reach, it would mean hard numbers, the number of people, in which demographic segment, in which psychographic segment, what is their buying behavior, who are the people I'm targeting. Once I've determined my reach, of course, and matched it to my budget, then my next question is to reach out to this target segment, which are the various vehicles that I'll be use. What are the various vehicles? The various media that are available at your disposal. It could be television, it could be FM radio, the print media, internet, even mobile services. Then there are various out-of-home media like advertising on the streets, advertising on LCD screens, in hotels, in airports. So next question is, the second question was to determine which of this media will you select. The third question is, in what frequency will you time your exposure? You have various choices. You can continuously, on a select time basis, on a select date, expose your campaign on the media. You can do it in phases, expose one phase, wait for a while, go on for the next phase. Depending on the various strategies of targeting the market, you would decide the frequency in which you will target. And finally, how much space will you occupy on that particular media in each time that you target the various people. These are the 4 questions which will determine your media plan. What could be various kinds of media planning? So various strategic methods of media planning are, firstly, you could be either offensive or defensive. What does a defensive media plan do? A defensive media plan has a higher budget in areas where sales are higher. Basically, the aim is to retain existing customers or to retain mind share or mind space in the minds of existing customers. What would the offensive media plan do? It's a strategic decision. The offensive media planner would go out into markets where penetration is lower, where you hope to increasing the customer base. That is where your primary budget would be distributed in. So obviously, the media plan arises from the strategic business objective of the firm. It is not built in isolation. It fits in with the overall marketing plan and the marketing budget. Once the media plan is finalized, then purchasing the various media are done through professionals who are able to negotiate better rates and therefore utilize the budget better. Many a time the media plan is developed not internally in the organization but through the manager in a creative agency.